Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, me telling you something, people, before me even start the vlog. You see me as a youth people, me believe in a hard work for what you want. You understand? Me believe in a work for what you want. You see me? Me not believe in a bad mind people for nothing, grudge people for nothing, envy people for nothing. See? Me believe if you have one small something you want, something bigger people, work your way for it. You understand? But no grudge people for what they have, no go thief people from what people have to gain what you want. You get me? I say because me know my struggles in a life people, and me know me work my way for what me want. So me that want every youth for the same. But you see, if you not do the same, or if you got do something wrong to achieve what you want, people are go around the thing, you want me as a man a straight attack for you. Zine? So right about now, my viewers and subscribers, I came across an article, a really sad one in the people. Zine? And for no say a youth, young youth people, lost his life people, all because of him own things. Zine? Him own something, you know. Them kill him for. In a Jamaica, my people, him own things, a phone. Oh my world, oh my PH0NE. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So let me just read this thing on my people before I start dropping some attack, because this definitely needs some attack from the attacking boss. Security guard murdered over cell phone. 20-year-old Javon's Sean Fletcher love life and had plans for joining the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The security guard was a favorite of his grandfather, Gentle Burrows, and as such, they two would converse almost daily. When they saw each other on Saturday, December 5th, Burrows had no idea that he would be cracking jokes with his grandson for the last time. Fletcher was stabbed by robbers while waiting for a passenger bus to take him home to license in St. Thomas. According to police reports, about 5:40 p.m. on Sunday, December 6th, Fletcher was standing at a bus stop on East Queen Street in downtown Kingston when he was approached by two men armed with knives and who tried to steal his cellular phone. A tussle ensued and he was stabbed. Fletcher was taken to Kingston Public Hospital where he died while undergoing treatment for the following day. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Sean was a good, well-mannered boy, Burrows said. Me feel it to my heart. Just 3 months ago, him start the security work and me get the work for him because me never want him sit and idle. And next thing, him go get caught up in the wrong crowd. Me sorry me did get the work for him right now because him would probably wouldn't dead. Burrows said the family is strapped for cash and is seeking the public's assistance to cover Fletcher's funeral expenses. Jaja says, Jaja knows my people. So, person interested in assisting with Javonte's Fletcher funeral package may contact Gentle Burrows at 1876 people area code 484-3605. Again, 876-484-3605. You understand? And anyone out there can assist with the funeral arrangement for, you understand, this youth at Javonte's Fletcher, contact Gentle Burrows. Again, number 876-484-3605. Some people, upon a real level, my viewers and subscribers, see, youth they are turned this up and wait upon a bus for God, St. Thomas, my people. Just come off him security work when him grandfather say him get the work just over 3 months now, people. You see me? And boy them now, people, they look at the thinking thing them now. From out of nowhere, Zine, come and demand the youth phone my people with knife. You get me? Honestly, viewers and subscribers, you know what the sad thing about it? Maybe when the youth look on them and say, look at who them look as dirty sitting here now. But them want my phone. And that's when the tussle start, people. And you saw them do my viewers and subscribers. Take him life. And them do maybe manage and go with the phone same way. Good, they'll take wallet too. You understand? I'm telling them my viewers and subscribers, and this is what I talk on the front. I believe in a work for what you want. This youth go out there, people. Him grandfather get to work for him. Him go out there work Him honest with people because him say him don't want him get caught up. We should know how Jamaica gonna know people. A lot of you do get caught up. And I'm not talking about these one, you know. You understand these sin thing, you know, who do this, these two sin thing. You know what I mean? I mean, a lot of you get caught up, get mislead, you get me? Because them no, you know what I mean? People, before we go any further, let me take a moment to give our sponsor a word. The sponsor for today is Islandwide Express. When it comes down to shipping things back to Jamaica, Jamaicans anywhere you are in the world, whether Europe, Canada or America, if you want to send something back to Jamaica, Islandwide Express is the company. Packages big and small, large and tall, Islandwide Express. Check them out on IG, Facebook and YouTube. Check out their many delivery videos. Very reliable and fast shipping company, Islandwide Express. And them we are deal with. Maybe you understand what I mean. You see me? But for them sinting and now about the place who want to rob, steal from people, get easy money, get easy things, people and I want to work for it. Me telling you something. Me telling you something. You see what they do to that youth, yeah? You see how they take out the youth 3 points? All because of a cell phone. What type of cell phone? How much it costs? 10 million, 20, 50 million? But that's how the youth life work to uno, right? Which me know the phone maybe never cost 100 G's. One thing me I say, a straight attack for uno. You see me? And anybody who know uno, anybody who see uno, you get me? Because people do know uno, you know. People do know see uno behind it, you know. Uno need to be whole. Uno need to get the harshest punishment in Jamaica, which me not call it, so we have none. Because the system where we got done the people, we not have none. You get me? And this is why me attack people and me have to always put them something in my vlog. And say the PM Jamaica need to do better. Zin, which me know so we have an opposition over there, so. You understand? Without the chaka man there over there, so. Who near Mark, on a real level, kind of joke thing, these people. Who anytime them do put in something, him always try to go against it because I'm the opposition. Him always want to feel like him or something else. So you understand, people? So me know say if they do maybe come with something and say this, him will want to come say no. You get me as a people? But on a real level, Jamaica need harsher things to deal with people like them and my people. Eh? Imagine you being a family member of this youth now. You get me? Not even a family because me feel it to my heart, you know, just like all my viewers and subscribers feel it. Eh? And to know say yo the youth go out, work people, and him they are torn, you know. Figure center mass in a different parish, you know, even they not know say too far like that people saying. Wait for a bus. Have him phone people. And boy, just because I'm phone them want people, then come up to him and this how happen. Honestly, my viewers and subscribers, I know a lot of people are saying should I just give them a phone and think people. But you know, everybody think different in certain situations, people. Everybody think different. Zin, maybe him just see them with the knife, people, and him have feel say him can conquer them. Zin, maybe him look on the size of them and him say, you know, me can conquer them, boy. Me can't make them look all sitting here and them dirty slippers and something come take one my thing like that. You get what me as viewers and subscribers. But this away later. Him gone. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My viewers and my subscribers, on a real level, it's sad enough people and him gone. And as me say, you know, a lot of people are going to say, yo, I should just give them people. But I'm going to say to my viewers and subscribers in. Honestly, when we have things, I mean, I hope for this reach nobody for being a victim and a robbery and an attack and nobody come and want the things, people. But, you know, sometimes instead of a tussle it or try to fight them or resist what them do people, better you just give them it. You see me? Just give them. I know sometimes people say you give them and them still do it, but better you just give them and them just, you know, you better you give them, and if they want to turn on and do something, yeah, but better you just give them instead of it start something and then two those people, that's it. You lose a life. Because it's not a good feeling to know so the local youth gone people. Just 20 years old, over one cell phone. One cell phone. But the sorry so people could hold them same thing there and deal with them. Yo, that's why people, when we see people in the street, hold them sometime and them deal with them, they look at crooks them and they look at thief them people, you cannot blame them. Me not like petty thief people. See, me not like no thief, you know, but you see, as I talk this over and over in a vlog, you see them petty one here who want to come broke people shop, broke people house, take where people look at things, you have your one goat or one cow, you understand? Yo, I don't even know a straight attack for Uno. You get me? My condolences to the family and especially to Grandpa of this local youth, you understand? And anybody who can assist people, link him. Even if you can't assist him financially, but you know some words can give him, people can know, say, I got through a lot now, you can talk to him with a conversation with him, people. His number is there and his name is also there, my viewers and subscribers. Talk to him because he might got through a lot, my people, and I can tell him this. And again, his number is 876-484-3605. And remember, put 1 before the 876 people. Gentle Barrows people, the grandfather of Javantes Fletcher. May his soul rest in peace. And for these killers, these murderers, remember, man, time is the master. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, please remember, follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss, my people. Like, share, comment, and do subscribe. You understand, my people? You don't know, say one attack, one scheme, one dream. Remember that. Peace out, my people.